How many times have you gone to Chat GPT over the last little while and have it be down and have it not working? So, how frustrating is that? And so, what I want to actually show you is a really cool trick that you could do where you can get Chat GPT to work without actually going into Chat GPT. And it is literally just going inside of your Google Sheet and telling it to write out a description. So, you've got a home for sale and you want it to write a description while the thing is down, you can just go into your Google Excel and do it. You could also, what's pretty cool with this, you can share that sheet with your assistant and they could actually do it as well. Now, it isn't free. You do have to pay for it, but it is ridiculously inexpensive to actually use. So, for example, this text here that I haven't written out ended up costing me 0.0002 cents. So it is less than a penny to write out this much text. So essentially, you're really not going to be breaking the bank by actually doing this. So anybody who wants to do this, stick around. I'm going to show you step by step to actually how to do it. You're going to code. Now, don't worry, you're going to become a programmer today, but it is so simple that everybody can do it. Even, anybody can do it. All right, so I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm just going to put myself to the side here, make this smaller so that I'm not in the way. And let's do this. The first thing that we want to do is we need you to open up a new sheet. So I don't know how many of you actually know this trick, but it's actually pretty cool as well. You could do sheets.new. So it's actually sheets.new, and you do that, and it's going to just create a new sheet for you. The next thing that you want to do is, well, we prepared our sheet, but what we actually need is we need an account with OpenAI. So what you're going to do there is you're going to actually just go to openai.com, and let me go to it from here. And you're going to click on API and then click on sign up. You're going to go through that sign up process. So whether you are signing up through your Google account or Microsoft account or whatever it is, just sign up for an account. Once you're signed up for an account, you're actually going to be in a page that looks something like this. And then what you're going to have up here is you're going to have an upgrade button up here. You're going to need to upgrade your account. You actually have to upgrade your account to do this because in the event you spend money, you need to actually end up doing it. Now, when you sign up for the very first time, you're actually going to get an $18 credit from OpenAI to be able to use. Now, yours might expire in March or whatever it may be, but you're going to have $18 you can actually use from OpenAI, and anything you spend above that is just going to build to your credit card that you put on the file. Again, it is very inexpensive. I've generated thousands of lines of text, and it's cost me 2 cents to really do that. So once you upgrade your account, the only thing that you're going to need to do with that account afterwards is you're going to need to go to the API keys, and then you're going to need that API key for what we're going to do next. So let's actually just quickly go back to our Google Sheet that you've created. Click on extensions, go to apps script. Once you open that up, you're going to have this app script in here. You're going to just delete what's in here because you're not going to need that. And then you're going to go to a link that's going to be inside of my YouTube video. It's going to be a link to the script that this individual has created, Abhi Raja from San Francisco. Thank you very much for creating that. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the script and put it into your app script. So you're going to click on raw to get the actual script, and then you're going to select everything that's in here. A quick and easy way to select everything here is you can press Control A or Command A for those of you that are on a Mac, and then just copy everything that's here. So you do Control A, Control C, and then you go to your Google Sheet. Sorry, you go to your project that you've actually just opened up. So if those of you that forgot, you go to Extensions, App Scripts, and you just open up your project. And let's remove that function again, delete what's in there, and then Control V, paste what I just got. And as I said, you're going to need that secret key. So let's go into our Chat GPT API keys, click on Generate New Secret Key, copy that secret key, and then go to your app script again, and you're just going to delete what you had here for enter your secret key, and then put that in there with the quotes around it. And that is all that you're going to do there. And the only other thing you're going to change is the max tokens. You're going to set max tokens to 2,000. That is essentially telling ChatGPT, don't use anything more than 2,000 tokens when I make a request. 200 isn't a lot, so we want to make it to 2,000 just in case you need it to write you a pretty decent piece of text. Once you've done that, you're going to click on save and you're actually ready to go. So you can actually go into Chat GPT and then even have it write something like this or write me a long description. I'm actually just going to have it write me a joke. So I'm going to say equals AI and then bracket colon and let's say tell me a joke about Canada and close quote and then close your bracket and press enter and literally in seconds you've got your Canadian joke. So that is it. For those of you that are going to try to use my API key, I'm going to delete it so that it's not available. You get your own API key and you use your own stuff, but that is literally how easy it is to use ChatGPT without really having to use ChatGPT's website. Thanks so much.